G'day guys, welcome to another Arbor Age test drive. I'm here with my good mate Ducky from Treesmith. How are you, buddy?
Yeah, good mate, yourself?
Very well, thanks mate. Look, we've got a pretty impressive looking unit here today to have a look at. What can you tell me about it?
This one's a Vermeer 18 inch, it's a BC 1800 XL. 18 inch chipper with a 24 by 20 inch opening.
Perfect.
And 170 horsepower tonnage.
Awesome. Yeah. So you were saying that they've had some pretty good improvements on this particular model. What can you tell me about those?
For starters, right here they've brought the controls so you don't have to walk around the front of the machine anymore. They've brought the controls around to the front, which I think is awesome.
Good for safety too, right?
Yeah, and we've been talking about doing stuff like that for years, like modifying them ourselves, and now they've brought it out this way, so that's good. They've got an idle down. If you walk away from the machine when it's running flat out, it'll idle down after a minute, or you can set it to 5.
Yep.
You can turn it off. This chute is really, really good now.
So they've added some hydraulics, yeah?
Yeah, they've added hydraulics to it, but it used to be, anyone that's used one would know that they used to be quite weak and they break a lot, but now it's actually quite sturdy. You can turn it around all by using the controls right next to the winch here.
Perfect.
They've upgraded the drum.
Yep.
Whereas, as you'll see, we were throwing mulch probably 50, 60 foot through the air there. They never used to be able to do that.
Yep.
Apparently the rep told me there's more air paddles in the drum now, so.
Okay.
And one other thing they've added too is a hydraulic jockey wheel, which you don't have the motor turned on to lift the chipper up and down.
Yep.
So that's pretty good.
Perfect.
Yeah, mate, this machine's got the it's got a remote here where you can power the machine up or down, and reverse the rollers, stop the rollers, and then re-engage them. So really, really good for feeding with an excavator or a bobcat.
Yep.
And yeah, I think it's a really good addition to the machine as well.
What's the syncing process and the reliability like on the remote?
We had no communication dramas at all with it. It looks like quite a small remote, which I've been told isn't very expensive to replace compared to some other remotes, so that's a pretty big bonus, because they do get lost and broken. But the syncing was quite easy. We just had to push a button there once the machine was switched on and push 3 buttons on the remote, and 2 green lights light up and you're away.
And you're away, perfect.
I worked for a kind of big company that had a few different variations of the machine, and we got to use this one every day, and so I got quite familiar with it, but that was probably 4 or 5 years ago.
Yep.
But this machine now has got all these upgraded features we used to say that they lacked having, so...
Yeah, right, so the guys that have used this machine, say 2 or 3, 4 years ago, are going to notice some pretty significant upgrades.
I think they'll like it, though, mate.
Yeah.
I liked it. Well, it's only 4.2 tonnes, so you can put it behind any standard tree truck.
Yep.
I think it's probably 9 or 10 out of 10, this machine.
Perfect. Mate. So guys, that's another Arbor Age test drive. Thanks Shane, have a good day mate, and we'll catch you real soon.
Thanks Jamie.